So we have our food processor. We're going to put in our garlic, breadcrumbs, anise flavored Pernod. And we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of that. Next is our fennel, which is a fennel seed. We didn't have any ground fennel, so I just went and took the end of a tool here and chopped it up. Worked just fine. We're going to toss that in there. Next, we're going to put in some hot sauce. Homemade hot sauce from Grampy's Garden. Turn that sucker on. Just blend them up a bit.
And then chop your fresh garlic and the scallions. Put that into the blender and process that for a bit until smooth.
Finally, we're going to put that butter in there that's all softened and try to fold that in as best we can. See how this works. That's all set. Now it's as simple as taking out a scoop, putting that on top of these beautiful oysters here. Sprinkle it with a little cheese. And then we're going to freeze them in the cookie sheet. Once that is done, we'll take them out again. Just place them in a Ziploc bag, nice and neatly, lay them flat. And we're going to have Oyster Rockefeller for Thanksgiving dinner.
Well, I couldn't let a good thing go by, so I had to roast a few of these bad boys and try them out myself.
To tune in. I wish they had a Smellorama app, so that you folks could smell these. I can smell the anise and that buttery scent. There's that spinach in there. Let's give this a try. That is so good. Crazy. Okay. One more time. A little lemon. Get that fork right under there. And devour. That anise flavor from the Pernod really brings out the oyster flavor. Careful of little shells. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.